I got here, I did not know what to expect, so I was really open-minded just because I've traveled before and I didn't want to be closed off to the culture. So I opened my heart, I opened my mind, opened my soul to whatever I would expect. So I came in very open-minded.
Everyone is willing to meet us. Everyone wants to show us that they enjoy what they do in the hospital, and it's been great to actually see real patients and real people in the hospital all working together. And it's really interesting to see the full circle of how nutrition comes into play with the different areas of the hospital.
Everything owes its existence.
I think the university is very orderly and very welcoming and super exciting. Our second day we got here, they had the whole school come out to meet us, which is very, very daunting, but it just goes to show like the culture of the university is one of welcoming and one of kindness and grace. And I really love having everyone in the school. People come up to us randomly, introduce themselves to us and really talk to us, and it just shows how welcoming the school is. So I really enjoyed being part of university and also working with people from University of Georgia and University of Evangelica Bolivia too.
Now watch me nay nay. Okay. Now watch me whip, whip. Watch me nay nay. Why me do it? Now watch me whip. Watch me nay nay.
Yo quiero descuento rápido. Because my life was way mal. El life fue.
Me encanta Universidad Angélica.